Imagine we go back in the 90s. Remember the movie The Wolf of Wall Street? You see all these guys screaming and shouting about making their deals, but this is not a reality. The real reality is that the people doing this stuff right now do it all remote. And they make thousands, 10 thousands of dollars a month with working remote and converting leads to actually buying customers. But what is it? What is high ticket sales? I'm going to explain you today what it is. I'm going to show you step by step how it works and if you can do it too. All right, I will show you. What is high ticket sales? So imagine you have an entrepreneur or a company or a coach who sell a product which is in high demand. Everyone wants this product. Everyone wants to be with this entrepreneur or wants to work with this company or with this coach. But this coach has too less of time to help everyone. So how does it work? All right. This company, this entrepreneur, or this coach has a digital offer. Maybe he has 100,000 followers or maybe 1 million followers. He wants to sell his offer. A lot of people want to work with him or buy his coaching or his product or his program, whatever. But he can't handle all these customers. So how does the structure look like? I will show you. And what can be your part in making a lot of money in this structure. Okay, so we take Robert Kiyosaki, for example. He's a big guy in the USA and he has an offer and he helps companies increase their revenue by applying the right financial structure, for example. So if this coach sends a CTA and call to action, he posts a story on his Instagram like DM finance and start your one-on-one. A lot of people who want to be like Robert Kiyosaki or want to buy his product, but there's no time to respond on all these messages. So behind his Instagram, there is an appointment setter who handles all the DM. He's qualifying every customer which is interesting enough to work with. We're qualifying because this entrepreneur can work with everyone. He gets a lot of messages, but we have to qualify the one who has a budget, the one who is motivated enough to do the program, so the setter will qualify. So the setter will ask him a few questions to qualify this lead, this customer, this potential client. So after the appointment setter thinks that this is an interesting customer, he will send the customer a Calendly link. And in this Calendly link, he can choose a time slot in the agenda of the high ticket closer. Here comes the exciting stuff because here comes the high ticket closer. We also can call this guy the middleman. Here is where the big money is made. The middleman is the one who arrives on the right location at the right time, where the deal is made. Yeah. So this Calendly is linked to the agenda of the closer. The client will book an appointment with the closer because the closer is going to look if this customer is qualified enough to work with Robert Kiyosaki. And then in the call, he will have a conversation with this customer. He will take this customer step by step using the Dutch Wolf blueprint, which has 6 steps, 6 phases: positioning, current situation, the desired situation, getting the cure, and closing the deal. If you know exactly what to do, what we teach our guys, what we teach the pack, you will close the deal. If you do exactly what I tell you, you will close this deal. This entrepreneur, this coach, has a few packages. A package of 2.5K, 5K, and 10K, for example. So if the closer has the right skills and knows exactly how to upsell this customer, maybe he will sell the customer a package of 5,000 euros. The closer will help the customer, give him insight. What is his problem at the moment? And how can we solve this problem? If the customer believes that this product is going to solve his problem, we have a deal. And what happens when we have a deal? The customer will purchase this package of 5,000 euros, and the wolf just closed the deal and will earn 10% of commission, which will be 500 euros in this scenario. So the closer just made 500 euros. I think the time frame of a call is in between 30 minutes, an hour. Fair enough, right? Sounds good. So let's see how realistic this is and how does it work further. So if you are a full-time closer, we can make a monthly projection. For example, if you have 4 calls a day, which is 100% realistic, and you have a sales conversion, which means how many deals you make of the 100% calls that you have. So you make 1 deal out of 4 calls, is a 25% conversion. You will make 500 euros a day. 4 weeks a month, you make 10,000 euros. That easy is it, guys? All of this fully remote on your own schedule. Because what I earlier told you guys is that you can manage your own agenda. You can fill in your own time slots when you want to work. So if you want to work from 1 till 5, it's fine. If you want to work from 9 till 5, it's fine. If you want to be free on Wednesday because you want surfing in Bali and do your calls another day, it's totally fine. You can plan your own days. You're boss of your own time. You win freedom. You win location freedom. You win time freedom. And you can do your calls, close your deals whenever you want, wherever you want this. Yes? So maybe now you think, okay, but can also I do it? Can I do it too? You can do it too. And why? I helped hundreds of people who had no experience. I trained them within 4 weeks. I placed them at opportunity. One thing is really important. We guarantee you that we place you if you follow the total program. If you follow the program which you started, we guarantee you a placement where you can make 10,000 a month. So if you ask yourself, can I do it? Yes, also you can do it too. If Damien can do it, if Erai can do it, if Sam can do it, if Juliette can do it, if Jaime can do it, you also can do it. Because all those guys didn't have any experience. So this is what high ticket closing is. I hope I informed you enough. And if you're interested to know more about it or think I'm ready to start, send me a DM on Instagram. Click on the button below and maybe you are the next best wolf who's going to lead the pack. Ahu, Dutch wolf out.